As many of you have experienced, for some visits you need to receive a pre-authorization code to ensure that the patient is authorized for the visit that you're about to give. For these patients, what you can now do is you can load in how many visits and how many of those procedures have been authorized and that authorization code. What you'll see is if you search the patient, this is in the Patients tab under Dashboard and Demographics, you'll see a new tab here called Authorizations. In this tab here, you can select Add New Authorization. And then what you can do is once you get the the authorization number from the insurance, you can type that in here, put in the start date, put in the expiration date if there is an expiration date for that authorization code. Then you can put in the number of visits that were authorized, maybe that's 8. And then you can put in the procedural codes, if there were any particular procedural codes that were authorized. And hit update. And what this will do is this will add in the authorization code here. If you ever needed to edit it or delete it, you can hit the pencil, of course, to edit, and the X to delete. To use the authorization codes, we're going to go to the calendar, schedule an appointment for the patient. This was Michael Jordan, and we will select his name here. And then what we will do is we will save this appointment. And what you'll notice is if we go to the billing section here, what we can do is we can type in that very same authorization code and stick that in here. And then when we hit save, that's going to use that authorization code, as we'll hit refresh here and you'll see that. And that will dock it. And then once you get below, I believe it's 5 authorization codes, then you will get a warning at the top of the appointment window saying that there are only 4 left, or there are only 3 authorizations left if you wanted to call the insurance. You'll also get a warning if it's a week within the expiration date of that authorization code. As well, maybe you might forget to enter in that authorization code. So let's say that you forgot about this pre-authorization number and you simply put in that code for this particular patient and we put in that price there and we hit save. Once we save that, if we go to the authorization section, we refresh this page here. So even if you forget the code and you save it, once you open that back up, it will remember and realize that the authorization should have been put in there, and the visit will still be docked here as a service being provided, and it will still measure that. Alright, so if you have any questions, feel free to message us at support@drchrono.com. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.